everybody, happy Friday. Chris Magnotta, your lender for up and down the Front Ranges and all over the Northwest Mountain communities. Coming to you with Friday update. Just when you think the season's over, nature delivers something good, a little surprise. Coming to you today to talk to you about interest rates, because that's my job. I'm in the mortgage industry, and interest rates this year have crept up to about a 10-year high, and we've had the sharpest interest rate increase since 1994. Pretty dramatic. It's almost 30 years. And while interest rates are going up, real interest rates are actually going down. Let me explain that in a second. But right now, they almost touched 5% on Tuesday. The national average actually on Tuesday was 4.95. That's a 30-year fix, 20% down, good credit. They've gone down a little bit over the last couple days, but interest rates, real interest rates have not. They've actually gotten better. So what a real interest rate is, it's just an inflation-adjusted interest rate. So when you have inflation near 8% and you have mortgage interest rates just below 5%, you end up with a negative real interest rate, which is a phenomenal deal for the consumer. So let me explain it this way. Let's say you are riding a mountain bike and you break it. And so it's in the shop and you need another mountain bike. So you're like, I'm going to call my buddy and I'm going to borrow his mountain bike. And I'm going to give him payment of $100 and a six-pack of beer to let, so I can use his mountain bike for a couple weeks. So you take your buddy's mountain bike out and you smash it a lot. You bend the wheel, you chip the paint, and then you give it back to your buddy and say thank you. Well, your buddy's coming out on the short end of the stick because the payment he received, a six-pack of beer and $100, is not enough to actually compensate for the drop in value of the bike. The bike has gone down in value more than $100 and a six-pack of beer. Well, that's exactly what happens when you're borrowing money from a bank below the rate of inflation. A bank is giving you money that is more valuable than the money you're giving them back. You're giving them payment and interest, but the interest actually is not enough to even cover the drop in value of the money. So a lot of people think about inflation as prices going up. It's actually your money losing value. Think of it this way. It takes more money to buy the exact same thing because your money has lost value. So when you are a home buyer right now, you're actually getting money that is more valuable than the money you're going to be given back. And the interest that you're paying is actually less than what the bank needs to compensate for that drop in value. Therefore, you're getting an absolutely phenomenal deal. The bank, just like your buddy with the busted bike, is coming out on the short end of the stick, and you're coming out ahead. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, need anything, give me a call. Let me know. Happy Friday.